everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a really short e.l.f. haul. I just got a couple of items and I'm actually really kind of frustrated because my tracking said this wasn't going to come for like another 5 days, but it ended up coming right as I finished doing my makeup, so I wish I would have been able to kind of test all these products out in this video, but I think what I'll do is make really short little review videos on each specific product. That way it makes it a little bit easier if you just care about one of these products. You don't have to sit through an entire video of everything else you don't care about. So over the next few weeks, I will probably have some short videos reviewing all of these products. So the first thing I got was actually the product that made me want to place an order. Now I have loved e.l.f. for so long, but just in the last few years, I have not really been interested in a whole lot of their things, even though they make like my all-time favorite foundation. But whenever I saw that they came out with this product, I really wanted to try this because I've heard a lot of things about this being similar to another really high-end product, and this is the Poreless Putty Primer. So now this, I believe, is kind of supposed to be their version of the, I think it's called the Tatcha Silk Canvas or something like that, priming kind of product. And I don't even know off the top of my head how expensive that product is. I've never tried it. I don't know anything about it, but I was really intrigued by this. So this is what it looks like, just, you know, a beigey pink, just kind of like a primary putty thing. I haven't even touched it yet. It looks so perfect. It's like fresh snow and I don't want to ruin it. Okay, so it feels really kind of smooth. You kind of have to like break that first layer. Doesn't seem to have too much of a scent, but putting it on the skin, it feels very like smoothing, but not in a super thick kind of way. I can't really tell too much just from, you know, swatching it what it's going to be like, but I can't wait to try this on my face, especially since I do really like more of those poreless kind of pore filling products lately. I definitely can't wait to try this out, and hopefully it's like going to be really good. I think the price of this one was $8, so that's the most expensive thing I bought in this entire haul. So yeah, I will definitely have to see how this works for me. Next, I got two other products. These are called the Flawless Color Correcting Pens, and I got two different colors of them. They're both for light skin tones. They also have some for like medium and deeper skin tones as well, and these are like kind of color correctors. And I was kind of wondering of what the difference is going to be between these two. I mean, the colors are slightly different. The first one I have here is the Brighten Shadows one. It's more of like a pearly pink kind of one, and the other one is more of like a salmony kind of color one, and this one says Correct Dark Circles. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it very well, but there is the Dark Circles one, and this is the Brighten Shadows one. This one's a little bit more of like it's like a baby pink kind of color, and that one's a little bit more of like a peachy salmon color. So I can't wait to try both of these and see if they do anything for me. I don't have super bad dark under eye circles, but I have noticed like as the years go on, I do have a little bit more darkness under my eyes, and I would love to see if these are something that can easily kind of color correct those a little bit better. The next thing I got, I was super like intrigued on trying out, and this is called their Intense Highlighting Applicator. So it kind of looks like a little brush. It's kind of like a flocked material on here, so I can't wait to try this with a highlighter and see, you know, does it really do a whole lot more. But I can definitely feel like this would probably give you a super intense highlight, and this was only $3, so yeah, I really can't wait to try this one out. The next two things I got are both highlighters, and I'm kind of like, why did I buy two highlighters? Because number one, I have a lot of highlighters already, but I love trying new ones, and highlighters last me forever. So, you know, I kind of wish I didn't buy it, but I was really intrigued. So the first one I got is called the Metallic Flare Highlighter in the color White Gold. One thing I really like about this one is it's super big. It's like so pretty too. I don't know if you can see, it's got this really pretty geometric kind of pattern on here. It's really pretty. I haven't even touched it yet, so let's see. So that is the color White Gold. I think that's so pretty. I'm gonna like swatch it a bit. I kind of did like a really weak swatch of it, but it's right here. I feel like this is going to be the perfect kind of color for me because it does have like the tiniest bit of gold to it, but overall I would call it mostly like a white kind of champagne color. It's not too gold to where I feel like it's going to look yellow on me. And the price of this one was $6, so definitely I think a super affordable highlight. I'll have to try it out and see what I actually think about it. But the next one I got is the e.l.f. Plus, what do they call it? e.l.f. Plus Glow. They have this new kind of line. It's all in this like pink kind of packaging. This one is called their Glo Highlighter, and this one is Coconut Plus Moonlit Highlighter. So I was really intrigued on this one too. Again, it kind of looks very similar color-wise to the last one. Let me compare these two together. Actually, I would say that the coconut one is a little bit more of like a pink toned one, where this one is definitely a little bit more of that champagne gold color. But yeah, pretty much it's gonna look the same on my skin anyway, but I really wanted to try this one. And even though it said coconut on the packaging, I didn't expect the powder to smell like coconut, but it does. It smells really nice though. I like that. So that one is the, what is this one called? Moonlight, and then the other one was called White Gold. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch this one too. Ooh, oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't, wow. oh my God, okay. I did not expect that texture at all. It's almost like a cream kind of, yeah, like a cream kind of a highlighter. That one's so pretty. Okay. I'm kind of glad I got both of these now. So the top one is the coconut one. You probably can't see a huge difference. It's slightly more pink, but the texture of it is like, it has that really like cold feeling when you touch it. And it's like that puttyish cream. And oh my God, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. I've already got like tons of highlighter on already, so it's not gonna really do it any justice, but I wanna try this. I'm gonna try this with just like my finger. I mean, I definitely had already a lot of highlighter on from the other one, but oh my gosh. Can you see? Like, that is a blinding highlight. That's so pretty. It's so, like, the texture kind of really caught me off guard. I thought it was just gonna be like a powder, but it's definitely more of like a cream to powder kind of finish. And the price of this one was also $6. So, oh my gosh. So far, I'm gonna have to definitely try it on its own, but that was so pretty. Okay, yeah, I'm actually really glad I got both of those highlighters. Even though I have so many, I love trying new highlighters. So yeah, this one has definitely been my go-to for like the past like month and a half now. And I love this one, the Tony Moly one, but it is one of those that you kind of have to really build up or really buff into the skin. So far, I really, really like these. And then the last thing I got was this little like 3-piece free gift that I got for spending, I guess, so much money. I only spent like $35 or something, but I got this for free. So what came in it is the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Liquid Highlighter with vitamin E in the color Illuminating. I think I already own this product, so I'm probably gonna just like give this away to one of my friends or family. Then there is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. It's in like a really deep kind of color that I don't feel like I would wear, so that's probably going straight to my mom because she loves those colors. And the last thing is the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set Spray, which I'm definitely gonna be keeping. I think I've definitely tried that one in the past and I really liked it. So even though I'm probably gonna give away those other two products, I really, really like this spray and I'm glad I got it for free. So yeah, definitely gonna be keeping that one. I'm running low on my other illuminating spray. I've been using the NYX one that I also got for free. I got that one from Ulta like maybe, I don't know, like May or June, I think, and I've been using that one since. This is the lip color. It's actually really pretty now that I'm looking at it, but still not a color I'd really wear, so I think I'm just gonna give this to my mom because she loves these types of colors and they just flatter her skin tone a lot more. She's a lot darker than I am. And then this one is just in the color Mocha Twist, so I'm sure she'll love that. And if I remember, I'm not a huge fan of it. I just remembered this one being a little bit oily for my liking. Yeah, so that is pretty much it for my teeny tiny e.l.f. haul. Like I said, I will probably either do like some mini videos reviewing some of these products and letting you guys know what I think about them. Yeah, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.